Man, this place is busy. We are just waiting in this nice long line to find a parking spot.
There's no pandemic.
Hey everybody, and welcome to another edition of Where the Heck Are the Albans, and Where the Heck Are the Albans? We are in Spring Grove, Illinois, and we are at Richardson's Farms, and we are going into the Tulip Festival. And it is super, super, super windy. So hopefully you'll be able to hear everything. If not, then it'll be a wonderful musical montage. So let's go on in. It is super, super windy out, so I don't know how well this is going to come out, but look who joined us today. It's Debbie. Hi, Debbie. Since the corn maze, yeah, the last time we were here. But we're waiting on Emerson and her boyfriend, Brandon, and we're going to go on in there and go see the tulips. I don't know if you can see that dust cloud that just went by us. Holy smokes. It's like standing in the middle of a sandblaster. Look who else I came with. It's Emerson. How you doing? Good. So we just we were making memories at the frame here. So you can't pick from this area. They want to keep it beautiful for everybody. But all of those way down there, those are all the ones you can pick. And then, but these you can't. Whew. Man, this wind is crazy. I just cannot get over this wind today. Holy smokes, it's windy. Look at the colors on these. These are really pretty.
Really? Yep.
So I think this one is one of my favorites right here. Look at these beautiful colors. I love this orange, peach, kind of yellow, all mixed together, but they're just gorgeous. Okay, so we came in way over there. We're down by that tent. See that right there? And we're parked like way out there. And then you'll see the farm way back there. That's the gift shop and all that good stuff. But yeah, so lots of flowers, lots of tulips.
We actually got a pretty good parking spot.
Look at, there's no wind all of a sudden.
I feel how it gets like all naughty here, and I'm like, it's too late.
See, all of a sudden the wind went down to like 0, but now all of a sudden it'll like, there it comes again.
So it won't let me do 7, but it's probably because I do. There's a 3.
Wow, the wind.
Super windy.
Oh my gosh.
I heard it was bad before, but now.
But so yeah, we had a good time with Debbie and Emerson and Brandon came, and so we it wasn't as big as I thought it was going to be.
No, it's not very big at all.
I know, and not to knock anybody's business or anything like that, but I mean Debbie did have a good point. She's like, this was like what, $15 to get in?
Yeah. Something.
And so she's like, you could have went to a nursery for free, and then you could buy a whole pallet full or a whole thing of them for like $5 and bring them home. So, but you know,
Or you could go to a nursery and squat down and take your picture, like, because there was a lot of people
so
dressed
many people.
like, dressed alike, and
Yeah, a lot of Insta moms and stuff like that.
Insta parents.
Insta parents.
That's what we call them.
So, all right. So,
Not that we should talk. I took a bunch of pictures of the girls.
that's true. So, and I'll show you all the pictures that Becky took as well. As always, if you like what you see, give us a big old thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe down below. Keep it safe. Keep it sexy. If you want to correspond with us or send us anything, I'll put our P.O. box information down below, and we'll see you guys next time on Where the Heck Are the Albans? Bye, everyone.